Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you tired of dull, uneven skin tone? Want that glowing, glass-like complexion that Korean beauty is famous for? There's a secret that's been used for centuries in Asia, and it's right in your kitchen. Yes, we're talking about rice water. In today's video, we'll show you how to make and use rice water the right way for visible skin brightening. Watch till the end to discover bonus tips and common mistakes to avoid. So what makes rice water so powerful? Rice water is packed with vitamins like B1, C, and E, as well as minerals and amino acids. It also contains ferulic acid and allantoin, which brighten skin, reduce redness, and improve overall texture. It's a favorite in Korean beauty routines for a reason. It helps fade pigmentation, boosts collagen, and gives your skin that youthful glow. You'll need just 2 ingredients. 1/2 cup of uncooked white rice, 1.5 cups of distilled or filtered water, a few drops of rose water for hydration, a small piece of orange peel for vitamin C infusion, a green tea bag for antioxidants. There are 3 methods to make rice water, but here's the easiest and safest one for skincare. 1. Rinse your rice once to remove impurities. 2. Add rice to a bowl with water, 1.5 cups. Stir well. 3. Let it soak for 30 minutes. 4. Stir again, then strain the water into a clean container. 5. Store in a spray bottle or jar. You can refrigerate it for up to 5 days. Fermented rice water, left out overnight before refrigerating, is even more potent for brightening, but can smell stronger. Option 1. As a toner, soak a cotton pad or use a spray bottle and apply directly after cleansing. Let it absorb naturally. Option 2. As a face rinse. Use it as a final rinse after washing your face. Option 3. As a mask. Soak a compressed sheet mask in the rice water and leave it on your face for 15 to 20 minutes. Use rice water daily as a toner or 3 to 4 times a week as a mask or rinse. Visible results like brighter skin, reduced acne scars, and smoother texture may start appearing in 1-2 weeks with consistent use. Remember, results vary depending on your skin type and routine. Always do a patch test before full use. If your skin feels dry, mix rice water with aloe vera gel or glycerin. And avoid using fermented rice water if you have very sensitive or eczema-prone skin. And don't use if the rice water has turned cloudy and smells sour. It may have gone bad. Tips to maximize whitening effect: use sunscreen daily. Even the best brightening remedies won't work if your skin is exposed to UV damage. And combine rice water with honey or milk once a week for extra glow. And stay hydrated and eat foods rich in vitamin C for internal support. And for oily or acne-prone skin, add a few drops of tea tree oil to your toner. Common mistakes to avoid: using unwashed or dirty rice, leaving rice water out too long, risk of bacteria, applying it on dirty skin, always cleanse first, using too much fermented water on sensitive skin, expecting instant whitening, natural remedies take time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more DIY skincare remedies from around the world. Comment below if you've tried rice water before, or want us to cover another K-beauty hack next week. Thanks for watching, and remember, beautiful skin starts with nature, not expensive products.